Hey y'all, iBRA guy here, back again with another unboxing video. Now today I have the, and it's let me see the specs here. You can check the link within this video's description for more detailed specs. But this is the current model, or current standard, I guess I should say, HDMI cable. So you're going to get the optimal video quality and audio quality. It's from a company called iBRA. So I don't know if that's like iBRA or like iBRA. Like what's up, bra? But it's a, it's got a little user's guide here. Don't think I'll need that. But I just wanted to increase the visual quality and audio quality of my TV without having to overspend for a bigger name HDMI cable. And see, there you see it right there. It says iBRA. So you can find a link within this video description where you can order it online. My suggestion would be, if you're using a current model TV, maybe you're using a 4K TV or something like that, or just an HD TV, the cable that you're probably using now is probably an older HDMI standard. So it would be advantageous to use the most current revision of HDMI cable. So I think this one may do Ethernet too. Yeah, it does. So if that's something that your device supports, Ethernet over HDMI, then this would be perfect for that as well. But thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/iBRA guy, and share this video and any of my videos with others. Y'all have a good day.